Door opening.
Okay, it's her.
She possessed?
Most likely she was in the basement. You breathe real heavily.
Oh, I don't know. They thought it was a seizure. No. He's never had one before, ever. And she was making this noise. Ellie. What's wrong with her? He's looking at me. He's under the dog. And I'll come home and come home. I know this stuff. I do. I know. I'm really freaked out. I'm really sorry. I'll be here for like 2 hours, right? Let's get it ready. Okay?
I leave the house.
Yeah, I'm leaving the house anyways.
I'll be like, yeah, right.
What's it?
No, I put him down. Just sleeping. He's not here, she's still the blood. No, because I have to run tests because they don't know what it was. Friday. I never heard her cry like that. Or just really lay down here for an hour. Please. Please. No, I don't want to be here alone. Yeah, well, okay.
I haven't blinked yet.
You're so stupid.
You
I'm
won't
not-
yet?
No, I don't want to miss anything. Stop it!
Ow.
You made me blink.
Hey, wait. Maybe you fish.
I'll go upstairs, miss.
Stay where you are. Stay put. Stay put.
Are you
Stay
sure?
put, Sawyer.
Not helping.
Don't hit me. I'll be like this. I'm scared.
That goes
Why would you
on.
open it? Sorry. Why would you go down there?
You didn't smack me in the eye.
So, just found us in the basement door. I don't really know where it came from. That's blood, but I can't really tell. This comes up pretty high. She could get up there. Kind of looks like letters, but I don't really know what it means.
Milk.
It bit her.
You said my arm flex.
Look at it. Just go. What the fuck?
Well, yeah, what? So what happened?
Where'd she go?
She'll be behind her. She'll be like, fuck off.
Man, all I saw was the baby's arm.
No, I'm like, where's Christy?
Something's really wrong with Christy, she said.
So Christy's the mom.
I'm going down.
I'm not gonna sleep tonight.
Oh, stop it!
I almost threw myself. Oh my god. That made me flip. How did she get there? In the seat. And then disappear? Nah, don't make no sense.
She got a bit with me. She...
I get bit by one. Look.
She just bit herself.
No, I didn't do that.
Do my teeth look like that? No. That's just a
Lexi.
Lexi bit my shoulder.
You never know, she could bit you in your sleep.
She hasn't spoken to me for like almost 3 weeks.
When did
So,
that happen?
the scar. She went to her book of a cousin. Tuesday. When I was sitting on her porch talking to her. That was Wednesday. Tuesday.
Don't touch him.
Don't touch it. Damn arm.
Dad, you have to go right now.
Go where?
Dad, look at me. Do you believe me now? Come on. You can't stay here, please. Dad!
Oh, Daddy Kiki. Who's that?
What are you doing?
Tried to warn me and I wouldn't listen.
What are you talking about? Dad, what are you talking about?
Well, red ones taste like cough syrup. What are you for?
This is gonna knock her out. I told you to stay here.
Did you do the exorcism?
Look at her leg. Look at the bite.
Don't be leaning up on me. I'm not even smacking you.
What am I supposed to do?
We cannot do this.
Look, there's no other way.
Yes, there is. We can transfer to somebody else.
No,
Yes,
we
so
can't. No, we can't. Okay, Martine said she had to be a blood relative. Okay, that is my wife and my son. They're little baby brother.
You need to tell her. You tell
No,
her
we
what
never tell
happened.
anyone. She's not even gonna remember, okay? Martine said she's not gonna remember, okay? And we're not gonna talk about it, ever. And I don't care if you agree with me or not, okay? It's my decision. I'm doing it.
I wonder what happens if you touch me.
Be careful, please.
She'll pull out a shotgun. She goes.
She gonna bite him.
So happy I moved back.
I don't want to watch this anymore.
Like that in my head. She literally just went like that. So if I was this close, she would have knocked me in the face. She went.
I don't want to watch this anymore.
I'm scared to be by you. You need to sit where Jody is.
I don't want to watch this anymore. I don't want to watch it.
Why?
Because then I'm going to start having even more images.
Images what?
Like when I watch a movie and like it's dark and it's have these images in it.
That's why I'm not going to sleep. I'm not going to sleep. You going to sleep with me?
Can the lights stay on?
Huh?
Can the lights stay on?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I'm not sleeping in the dark, goddammit.
Nope. Did she bite him?
Where's the baby?
I'm trying to like through the face. Is that baby? I don't know. Shut up. Do it.
Man, I thought he was gonna throw a pan at him.
He dropped my hook. Staying in pitch dark.
No thanks.
Is he in the basement?
Item? Yellow job.
I was drooling.
Oh, look.
What's that? What happened? I missed 2 seconds of it and I'm lost.
You put the cross on her.
Just to get fun. What happened?
I don't know. The dad put the cross on the lady.
And where did she go?
Took her.